Hey you guys, what's up? Today's video is gonna be super fucking exciting. I look kind of ugly right now because I'm getting ready and I'm just straightening my hair right now. Today's video is a vlog and I am going to get a new kitty very soon in a couple of hours. I'm so excited. I'm really just over the fucking moon. I have two kitties right now, Princess and Wilson, and I'll put a photo of them on the screen, but they're so cute. They're literally my life. But yeah, so I'm getting a new kitty today for my mom's friend because her cats just had babies a few weeks ago. Actually, well, the kitties are now like 7 or 8 weeks old, so like 2 months. So she's had them for a while, so later today in a couple of hours we're gonna go over there, and I already picked out the one that I want because I was there a few days ago. So yes, I'm so fucking excited. We have to go to the store and get the stuff that she needs before we go pick her up. I need to get her her own litter box and kitten food because she's gonna stay in my room for a bit because they're too small still to like go down the stairs and stuff. Like, you guys will see how small these cats are. So for the like next 4 to 6 weeks probably she'll just be staying in my room until she is old enough to go around the rest of the house. So yes, but I'm very excited. So excited. I think I picked out her name, but I'm not sure yet. We'll have to see what I like when I actually get her. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish straightening my hair and then I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I'll probably talk to you guys either before we head out or like when we're there or something. Hey guys, so it's now 10:15 and I'm about to head out with my mom to go get the kitty, and we have to go to Walmart first to get the rest of the stuff that we need for her, like the litter box and stuff. So we're gonna go do that, but I'll show you guys my outfit real quick. So I'm wearing this little off the shoulder like lettuce cut top from Garage, and then these distressed ripped denim shorts from American Eagle, and then on my shoes, on my feet, they're just black Vans slip-ons. Hey guys, so I'm in the car now with the little kitty. You can't really see her, she's in there. She's in a little cat carrier so she doesn't try and like jump around in the car, and she's having a little bit of a hard time in the car because I think this is her first time leaving her home. Aww. But my mom's just stopped to get something real quick at the store. Oh, you hear it? But we have all this stuff in the back. We got some chips because my sister's having some friends over tonight. But yeah, so we're gonna be home in a few minutes. I'm gonna get her all set up in my room and I'll show you guys. Aww, I'll show you guys her. She's really, really cute. She's just scared. Aww, are you scared? Aww, it's okay. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. Hmm? You're so cute. Already giving each other little kisses. Aww. Aww. Hey guys, so it is now 2:17 and I just got back home. Well, I got back home a little while ago, but I've been getting my little kitten all set up. Oh my god, I'm dying. So I'll show you guys all the stuff that I have for her. So over here I put her little food and water bowls, little paws on it. So there's the water, and then there's the food, and then right here is the litter because she has to stay in my room for like at least the next 4 weeks, 4 to 8 weeks, because she's still only like 7 weeks I think, so she can't really like go down the stairs and stuff yet because she's so tiny. So I'm keeping her in my room for like the next month or two so she can like grow and adapt, you know. So yes, so I'm gonna have to be changing that every day because it's gonna make my room smell like shit. So love that for me, but it's all right because she's so cute. And then I got her this little toy because my mom's friend that we got her from had these for all the kittens, and she said to get one because they really like it. So I got her this little toy, and some of the fluffs already came off because she's been playing with it. But oh my god, I'm dying. So here she is, just little, such a cute little kitty snoozing away. Look at her, she's literally, like, I'm crying. So yeah, we got her all set up now, and she's taking a little bit of a cat nap, but we still haven't decided really on a name yet. I like baby spice, so I can call like all the little seasonings, like little paprika, little cinnamon, little chili powder, like all of that shit. But I don't know, we'll see. I might change her name to something else, because then I can call her like baby spice or little spice, you know, like it's cute, but I'm still on the fence about it. So we'll see. By the time this video's up, I'll probably be like set on a name, so I'll put it here on the screen. So that's the name I chose, but right now Little Spice, Baby Spice is what I'm calling her. But she's taking a little nap right now, so after this I'll probably vlog, or like tomorrow or something, like over the next couple of days. But I'm very happy with my new kitten. She's very adorable, and I'm sure I will vlog more after this of just her like getting used to my house and stuff, and just like little clips of her, just so you guys can really see her. But I really love her. I'm gonna go now, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit, probably showing you more little clips of my little cute kitty that I love so very much. And I'm talking like I'm a little kid because she literally makes my heart melt. And also, be checking my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram. I'll have it linked down below, because I already posted photos of her. Like, I'm obsessed every day almost. I'm probably going to be posting photos of her. Like, she's so cute. You little fur ball. Are you a little fur ball? Are you a little fur ball? So fluffy. Look at how you... Why is she walking? Hey, no. No eating that. No. Are you fluffy? Look at you.